bright duty. Every student matters.
Now let's look at the first question. What percent of Earth's water is fresh? So 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water, and that's the reason why we say that the water has to be utilized in a very proper way, because the amount of water that we have is quite less, right? So this only 3% is the fresh water, and that too some of it is inaccessible because some of it is the groundwater and other is the glacier. What constitute wastewater? So water that is rich in lather, right? The water that is mixed with oil and is usually black, brown in color, is drained out and is drained out from bathrooms, toilets, kitchens, kitchen sinks, etc. Right? All of the water which is usually the dirty water is considered as the wastewater. Which day is celebrated as World's Water Day? So 22nd March is celebrated as the World's Water Day. What is cleaning of water? So cleaning of water means removing of pollutants, right? When the water is cleaned and all the pollutants are removed of it, it becomes the cleaning, and the process of cleaning of water is also known as sewage treatment, right? So after the sewage treatment, the water is harmless and it doesn't contain any pollutant, and can be released into the water bodies or even can be reused. State various uses of water. So there are various uses. First of all, the very important use is drinking, then cleaning, then we have the process of say cooking, right? Apart from that, in various industries also, industrial use, also agricultural use. So in this way we see there are various other uses of the water which you can enumerate. If you remember, we had done this activity in the session, and you can also enumerate further uses of water, right? What is sewage? So sewage can be defined as the wastewater that comes out of the drains of your kitchens, toilets, right, industrial and commercial areas, Apart from that, also the rainwater that runs off the road and rooftops, right? So it includes various suspended materials that can be organic, inorganic. They can be varied in nature, right? So this is what we call as the sewage. Basically we can say that it is a liquid waste, right? So this is what it is, a liquid waste. Which of the following is part of inorganic impurities of the sewage? So what are the inorganic impurities? Basically these are something which is originated from your industrial or commercial waste. These are your phosphates, right? So pesticides, urea and vegetable waste are the organic waste, whereas phosphate is an inorganic waste. Which of the following is not a source of wastewater? Sewers, homes, industries, or hospitals. So sewers are not the source of wastewater. These are the places where we see the collection. All right, we are going to discuss about sewers also in detail. As of now, it's important for us to understand that these are not the source of water, whereas homes, industries and hospitals are. A mixture X in water contains suspended solids, organic impurities, inorganic impurities A, nutrients B, disease causing bacteria and other microbes. What is X, A and B? So mixture X is the sewage that we are talking about. It is the water which contains suspended solids and all of these impurities. Right, so X is sewage. A is the inorganic impurities that can be nitrogen or phosphates. Right, then you have the nutrients B, which can be phosphorus. Right, so in this way we see this is the answer to this particular question. Sewage is mainly a liquid waste, solid waste, gaseous waste, mixture of solid and gas. So we know that sewage is mainly a liquid waste. Pick from the following one chemical used to disinfect water. We've already done this activity and we know that we used the chlorine tablet, which is a chemical that is used to disinfect water. The system of a network of pipes used for taking away wastewater from homes or public buildings to the treatment plant is known as sewerage. Alright, remember students, the question is system of a network of pipes. Right, this is the sewerage system which is acting as the transports. Right, so this is the whole system that of the network of pipes. If the question had been only about the network of pipes, the answer would have been sewer. Please do not get confused. Remember, not only now but also whenever you are giving exams or tests, always remember students to read the question properly. Over here the question is asking about system of a network of pipe. So system of network of pipe is sewerage, whereas network of pipe is sewer. Right? What is a manhole? Why are manholes made? So manhole basically is the junction. It is the junction of two or more sewers. They are, or it is usually present when the sewers change directions. Right, so and the sewer are also changing directions, then also we see the presence of manhole. So the importance or why are they made is that these manholes assist in maintenance and regular cleaning of the sewers. Right, so this is one of the reasons why the manholes are made, so that maintenance of the sewer system and the cleaning of the sewer system can take place. So in this way students, we talked about and we performed an activity through which we understood the different processes that are taking place in the process of cleaning of the water. Now in the next session we are going to talk about the wastewater treatment plant. Thank you.